Well, hello guys, welcome to my channel. And if you would like to know how to remove a background from a picture just like this, keep on watching. Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. So in this little tutorial, I will show you how I remove the background of a picture. And in order to do that, I will bring you behind the scene, behind my camera, and I will share with you my little step-by-step process in order to remove the background of a picture. It's going to be very user-friendly, and I hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you on the other side. Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. So let's start and jump right in our tutorial. So how I did this. Actually, I went on Google and I asked how to remove the background of a picture online for free. And these are the option that Google gave me. So I actually went on the second one and I clicked on the link of adobe.com. So let's go ahead and click on this link. So what's going to happen is that Adobe is going to ask you to subscribe. I'm just going to move myself a little bit more. So Adobe is going to ask you to subscribe. Do not worry, go ahead. It is totally for free. And I totally suggest you go ahead and register because it's very user-friendly. So you'll see that it's going to be very easy to use. I'm repeating myself. Don't mind that. So let's go ahead and upload your picture. So here you're going to see it's going to take some time. Probably your browser, it's a little bit faster than mine. But this is the options that you have. It's either going to ask you to drag and drop an image, or you can go ahead and search in your browser. So let's go ahead and click on search in your browser. So I prepared already these couple of pictures for us to use, and I'm going to take this one to remove the background. Once selected, Adobe will be working on that picture, removing the background. So yes, it's going to take some time, but you will see Adobe is going to make its magic. In 3, 2, 1. No, let's try it again. 3, 2, 1. All right, there you go. So as you can see, the picture has no more background, but before we click on download, I will suggest for you to go ahead and customize your picture. The reason why I suggest for you to customize your picture is because Adobe will give you a small picture to download, and that is not what we want. In order for you to use a good quality picture, I'd rather have it bigger and resize it later whenever I need it. So here you go. My picture is going to come. You will see it where in this huge rectangle box is going to be, and that's pretty much the picture that Adobe will give you, and that's not what we want. Here you go. As you can see, the picture is going to be this small, and like I said, we want something that is way bigger. So we will go ahead and resize this picture in a bigger version just by dragging those little dots as much as we can in this rectangle box. And this for me is perfect. So I'm satisfied with this option. So I'm going to go ahead on the top right and download the picture. But before I do, I'm going to click on the second option. Just keep that in mind. The second option is what we want. We want here the PNG, best for graphic, and higher quality. All right, remember that. Second option, dos, segundo, dos, 2. That's the option that we want. Go ahead and click on start your download. So there you go. As you can see here, my picture is downloaded. Oops. It went on my second screen. Oh boy, it's okay. Here you go. So this is the picture that I want, and this is what I will be using to create whatever art I want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and I will see you on the other side. Thank you for watching. Well, hi guys. Thank you for watching my little tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And in the meantime, I will see you on my next video, which is on how to create a YouTube banner. So please stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you guys like this one. Again, please comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, whatever, you know the drill. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you on my next video.